YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the brake lights on your VW Touran. And the first thing you're going to have to do is open the boot. Here are the replacement bulbs from Halfords, if you don't know what ones you need to get, so you can screenshot this now. Then there is a special tool to remove this little panel, but there's a little hole in there. I'm just using a pick, and you just put the pick in and then lift upwards, and it should just pop out of place. You're going to take out the two Torx 25 bits. Once it's done that, don't try and lift it up. All you're going to do is push the headlight towards the outside of the car. So that on this right hand one, you're going to push it to the right hand side, and it should just pop out like so. Remove the lights from the actual cluster. You just squeeze in on two plastic tabs and it should come out like this. Now the lights are bayonet fitting, so you just push in and twist and they should just pop out, and then the same in reverse when you are putting them back in. What I would suggest is checking the lights before you install them to make sure that they work. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out the comment section for a VW Touran playlist which will show you lots of repairs.